How to create Epay wallets. My name is Daniel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create your Epay wallet. Now, this is actually necessary if you are using some live streaming apps like Popo, Tango, and the rest of them. You need Epay in order to withdraw your money into your local bank account. So in order for you to actually create that wallet, this is what you need to do. In this video description, I'm going to leave a link right there. So when you click on the link, it is going to direct you to this place. So when you do that, it's going to direct you to this page where you need to input your email and also click on send, and you're going to be able to receive a verification code on your email. You need to just come right here and input the verification code right here. So looking here as well, you can see where it says please enter the login password. You need to make sure that your login password is very strong. It should be of 8 characters and have some special characters on it. Then come right here and click on I agree. So when you do that, go ahead and click on sign up and sign up. So once you're done signing up, the next step you need to take is to go to your Play Store or App Store depending on your device like this. So you just need to go to your Play Store, App Store like this and search for Epay. Search for the word Epay and install the app on your device. So when you are done installing the app, you need to go ahead and click on open in order to open the app. So when you open the app like this, you need to input the email and click on send, and you're going to be able to receive a verification code from the email you've actually inputted. Remember, you've created an account already. So after inputting the email and verification code, you just need to click on send, and it is going to direct you to the app like this. So for I've actually done the level 1 verification. So in order for you to actually pass that level 1 verification, you need to use your driver's license, your voter's card, or any valid ID. I actually use my voter's card, so you can actually go ahead and use that. If you are on level 1, you'd be able to transfer at least 1000 USD. So right here as well, you can see level 2. So for level 2 here, in order for you to pass that, you need to verify your address. You need to show a proof of your address in order for you to pass the second level. So let's say you've actually done that. Right here is what the home page is going to appear as. So in order for you to actually transfer money, you can go ahead and click on remittance. So when you click on remittance like this and select USD, since your money is already on USD, then the next step you need to take is to go ahead and enter the payments country. If you're from Nigeria, you can go ahead and select account holder country as Nigerian. Looking right here, you can see receive method. So you need to select local payments since you are using your local bank account. Then come right here and input the value of the USD you want to withdraw. So for my own case, the fee they are going to charge me is $1, and the rates of the value of this USD I want to withdraw is on 1450 naira. So in your case, it might actually be different depending on when you actually want to do yours. So if you don't like it, you can choose to wait. So yeah, you need to click on next and click on confirm. After confirming your bank detail right here, click on confirm like this. I'm actually covering my account number, that is why you are seeing that blur right here. So you just need to go ahead and click on confirm after confirming your account number. Once you're done confirming it, you're going to receive that amount on your account minus the fee that they are going to actually charge you. So you're going to be able to receive it on your local bank account. So you need to make sure that your local bank account is actually inputted very correctly, because that is where you're going to receive the accounts. So this is simply how you can actually create and verify your Epay account and also withdraw money from your Epay account. Hope you found this video helpful. And for more tutorials like this, do hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos on this channel. See you in the next one.